Welcome friends to our complete Goethe A1 speaking series. So in this particular series, this is part 5, talking about your family. So this part is very important. You will have to talk about your family in the exam speaking module. So I will share one screen with you. Then you will get to know how to talk about your family. This is our part 4 from our A1 speaking series. Okay. So family is called as Familie in German. So let's see how to talk about your family. Just a reminder, do subscribe to my channel. If you are new to my channel and you are preparing for Goethe A1, because I'm coming up with these type of exam related videos. So don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Now we'll see some important words okay, related to family. Die Mutter. Mutter is mother. And all of you know that articles, der, die, das, are very important in German. Okay. Before any noun, you have to uh, do or write or speak about the article. Now, die Mutter is the mother, der Bruder is brother, Vater is father, and Schwester is sister. The skin is child. Now, we'll see few examples like sentences from our family section. Ich habe eine kleine Familie. Okay, you can say that I have a small family. Meine Mutter heißt Anna. My mother, my mother's name is Anna. Okay, this is a German way of talking that meine Mutter heißt Anna. My mother's name is Anna. Mein Vater ist Arzt. Arzt is doctor. So my father is doctor. There is a separate video on these professions on my channel. You can go and watch. I'll give a link in the description box. So, mein Vater ist Arzt. Ich habe einen Bruder. I have a brother. Ist 20 Jahre alt. He is 20 years old. Okay, so these are the few examples that you can talk about your family in your A1 speaking. Okay, if the theme is given as family, you can add your own sentences, you can make your own sentences and with reference to these phrases, okay, these words. So that's all for today, friends. See you in next video. Thank you and bye bye.